Hi guys, and I have a hat, and I have sunglasses, and I have a pretty dress. So do I look pretty?
Where are we going?
The beach.
Avila, where are we going? To the... Okay. Alright, so here we are. We're on our way to the beach. We decided to go to Elko Beach. It's actually on Lake Erie, so we're not beaching on Lake Ontario. The morning is super quiet. There's not a lot of people out and about. So I'm not really even sure if the beach is going to be super packed. Also, we're not here on a typical like weekend. We're doing like a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we're actually going to be leaving on Saturday.
All right, we're here. Say hi, everyone. Okay, hi, Avila. We're here at the beach. Finally,
Beautiful day.
Elko Beach.
There's so many waves.
This is honestly like one of the best beaches I've been to here in Canada. Look at this. Look at that. We're gonna enjoy a little bit here. It'll be fun. Oh no! Okay, so we're back home. We're just gonna chill for a bit and get ready to go to lunch. Kids are just rinsing off the sand from their bodies.
So we're gonna be going to Boston Pizza. That's the only restaurant that this resort has. So, and tonight it's barbecue.
It's barbecue, yeah.
So we'll see you at the fun place.
Hey guys, before we continue the video, I just wanted to give a shout out to our sponsor, Psych. We're at lunch right now, Boston Pizza. Just waiting on our food, and then, I don't know, we'll probably walk around this area.
So we just came from Boston Pizza. Now we're heading back to the house. We're gonna drop off the kids, get everybody settled, and then Elijah wanted to do some mini putt. This is definitely not going to be our last time here.
No.
I think that this might even be possibly like a yearly or every couple of years type of thing, because this is just the perfect family vacation spot for basically every single age. I would do this again like for like years while the kids are young and able to just like, and there's like so many things for them to do. This beach right here, it's called Quarry Beach. That was another beach that was accessible to us. We could have walked there, but like we ended up deciding to go to the other beach, which was right on Lake Erie. We're back in our little village. They call it. What do they call it again? They call it like Quarry Village. So I guess it's because it's close to Quarry Beach. Here we go. We're pulling up to our cabin now, so that's what it looks like. And we're packing. We'll see you on the course, on the mini putt course, on the course.
Who are we?
Who are we right now? What are we, vloggers?
I'm never letting go.
We're just buying some groceries.
Have a reservation.
Oh, I get it. That's the LC view, but then it's just like...
Yeah, it's like in the back room, right?
Yeah.
What do you have there, Elijah?
Candy.
Yeah.
I'm never letting go. 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 I'm never letting go.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and we just finished breakfast, and we're just cleaning up. It's our last day here at the place, and yeah, everyone's a little bit sad to leave. We had a lot of fun this weekend, and time to head back home. Okay, go.
Hey everyone. Hey, what's sad? What's sad because we're leaving this home and we only stayed there for 3 days for my birthday.
But it was fun. So we're kind of just wrapping up our time here, and everything's packed and cleaned mostly. Yeah, I think we're just gonna chill for a bit here and go to check out this farmer's market.
Checkout's not till 2, and we've already kind of like cleaned up everything inside and packed the cars. Oh my gosh, we had such a good time. Like,
Yeah,
it was such
we
a good
hope
trip.
that you guys enjoyed our little family vacation.
Alright, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
And hit
click
that
like
like
button
button.
if you like what you saw.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye, guys. Before we end the video, we just want to say a special thanks to our friend Marion from Home Life Hearts Realty for gifting us this beautiful family experience. It was definitely one for the record books. So thank you, Marion. You're awesome. That's a big lollipop. Look at your face. Look at your face.
Looks like the Joker.
Look like the Joker.